Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Maintenance B. Yeah. Oh my god!
God
Oh my
damn.
god! Oh my god!
On the gang, bro. On the gang.
Shut
my black
Oh
spinach.
my god! What?
This might be.
Oh, whoa! This looks very naturally occurring. A naturally occurring underground. Yes.
I found a mine shaft.
Was that what was glowing?
Why is that bitch glowing?
There's something glowing over there. Yeah.
Came everywhere, dude.
Oh fuck!
Come on, there's a lot of bones.
Another one.
Pile of bones here. That's always nice and helpful.
Oh shit! Those are new. Those are new.
Scared the fuck out of me, dude. It scared the fuck out of me. What's up, guys? It's Good Kitty. So in today's video, we discover some crazy stuff, and you guys can tell by the title, it's aliens. I don't know what the aliens are doing in this game in general. I thought it was like a cannibal game, but we ended up finding dead astronauts, aliens. Like, it's wild, it's crazy. This cave was insane. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
There he is.
Dead.
Oh. I saw that fucker get folded.
Got him, bro. Crossbow is nutty. Oh wait, Brett.
What?
See you on the other side, my friend.
You mean my way?
You'll see.
Oh my god. Alright, bro.
Goodbye.
Bruh.
Fuck. You fucking use this
You
thing.
didn't even do it right, man.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh shit.
shit.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, we're good. No. We're still going. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. Oh. Oh yeah, we're good.
There you go.
Oh fuck. All right. Well, let's life hike up there, Brett.
It's pretty good.
All right. I'm gonna take me some medicine. I almost fucking died. That fucking bitch up. Yep. This is the one.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
You excited, Richard? Gold mask.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually watch out. Oh, I almost shot fucking
He's dead.
Hunter by accident, bro.
I just killed it. Must it say maintenance B? So like I'm guessing the other one was A. You remember?
Maintenance B. Yeah.
Oh, that was a hard one to open, huh?
Oh, this one's kind of jammed. Kind of a little bit jammed in here, huh?
Why do I feel like we've been in here before?
Yes, we have, Brett. Yes, we have.
I'm getting the bullocky out, bro. I'm ready, bro.
Oh, we can drink this water.
Can you really actually? Can you actually?
Oh, we can.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think we're terrible.
I feel like when the full game's out, you
Wait.
will be sick.
Is this the same?
No, it can't be.
Nah. This one doesn't have the TV. The other room had the TV, remember?
Oh, suppressor on the table.
Oh, laptop right here too. New location discovered. Bunker C. On the laptop right here. New location discovered. Bunker C.
Oh shit.
Compressor right here.
Oh.
Where? Oh yeah. Wow. Silencer here.
Oh, a compound bow
No way.
in the bathroom. Yeah, in the bathroom. Compound bow.
What is a compound bow just doing sitting there? Oh,
Ooh.
that's awesome. Longbow.
Alright, Hunter, let's see how it works.
Oh, what? Oh, meds. Can you guys grab these for me? Grab them, and if your inventory's full, I'll get
Wait,
them.
where they at?
On the counter right here.
Oh, I'm not full.
Oh,
Oh,
you're not
I'm
full.
actually.
No, that's fine. I'm gonna save on this bed right here. I'm saving my game.
Actually, I should do the same thing.
Now, at least you guys got some meds, so we find another stash of meds. Maybe I'll get some. Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, I might make some tech on there.
I think I'm gonna make that compound bow my main shooter. I'm gonna do a maneuver.
There's light bulbs in here. Another solar panel. Some more ink. Some wire.
Light bulbs, yep. All kinds of light bulbs. 100 printer ink shit. What the hell? Look on the roof. What's the stuff on the roof? The cum.
It's the cum. It's the cummies, bro.
So but now we know where Bunker C's at.
True.
I feel like we were really just sent here to get the bow. I don't think there's anything else to this place. It's fine with me. Alright, boys, I think that's the end of the bunker.
Yep.
Good stuff, though.
However much money you guys have, we'll decide who is captain later. Or squad leader.
Okay.
How much you got on
Where's it at?
the left?
The left? Let's see.
I am king.
Oh.
Already know.
Okay, I got my number.
Richard?
Wait, where's it at?
On the left.
On my inventory?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like left middle.
That's all me.
Oh, I got my number, yeah.
Okay. Say them all at the same time. You guys ready?
Yep.
617.
574.
I only got 482.
Yikes.
I am king. Am I sit? Blowjob now.
Actually,
Blowjob
about
now.
that. Nope.
Blowjob now.
I don't know, buddy. I think you're not looking good for you, Brett.
Get down on your knees, boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Plays the YouTube cutting noise.
Alright, we're going to the... Nom nom nom. Dude, there's boxes everywhere, bro. Holy shit. It's like all along this path.
All kinds of meds. Oh my god, a med's out the ass too. Wow, this is a med spot. Med City.
I see 4 in an airplane?
Wait, so there's not anything inside the airplane? Oh, there's a leather jacket inside the airplane. And a brochure. Wait, a brochure. Hot Springs brochure. Huh.
That's pretty useful.
Yeah. You guys check this thing for weapons, though? You sure there's no weapons here?
Hey, yo.
It's about to get dark, boys. Sleeping? Alright. Whoa, don't move, don't move, don't move. There's a deer right there.
There's a what?
Deer right there.
Oh, say goodbye to that here,
Oh, I sniped it. Yeah.
Remember, did you guys fill up your canteens?
Yeah, we did.
No.
I didn't.
That's for stupid people.
Oh, damn, it does drop hella... The babies drop hella meat, Jesus.
Oh my god, I'm just sniping these things, dude. I feel evil. There's all kinds of deers around here, dude. There's one over there. I don't want to snipe it though. Can't carry any more of these MREs. Well, I guess I'm eating one then. I'm eating food right now. Yeah, those canteens are busted.
Fighting a fucking cannibal?
I got 2 on me.
Another one right here. I just dinked him in the head. Oh, jeez.
Jeepers!
That's fucking Kevin.
He's chasing me?
Kevin, shut up. Oh my god.
God
Oh my
damn.
god. Oh my god.
On the gang, bro. On the gang.
What's my black spin
Oh my god. What the fuck? Another one over there.
Silencer
One over there. You think I could snipe with the bow?
Oh yeah, look at him.
Ooh.
Oh.
He knows I'm aiming at him, that's why.
Try to snipe him, bro.
No, he's going for
Hey,
that.
bitch.
Oh, he dropped his ass.
Oh, damn.
Where's my bow arrow? I hit him with the bow arrow. I lost it.
You hit me, idiot.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Oops. Sorry. Alright, you two. We
No
just made
armor.
it. We just made it to the cave. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. Ooh, the light? Let me hear the light look
A
better.
chair. Wait, binoculars. Or
Binoc-
night vision goggles.
Wait,
Night vision
what?
goggles.
Night vision goggles. Fuck yeah! Oh, right on the entrance. Right on the entrance.
They're not very
Whoa,
good,
whoa,
but
whoa. They're weird.
They work. They work.
They're weird. They're weird. They're weird.
they work.
Or we're diving, right?
Yeah, look at me more. After we do this cave, I'm gonna go
Not a
driving.
dead
I'm gonna go
body.
driving, boys. After this cave, we'll go hop in the woods.
Uh,
I won't be gone too long though. And then when I come back, I'm just gonna do the dishwasher real quick. It should take like 10 minutes to that. I'll probably be gone for like 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, and you, Brad. I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
You need it.
Perfect. Well, it seems like we're coming up. Boys, click
there's a
L.
light
Click
over
L and it auto eclipse your goggles. If that's the last thing that you had that use light. Yeah, there's a light over here. What the fuck?
Alright, yeah, let's go check that out first.
I don't even see where it's coming from, dude. I don't see a light source anywhere. Oh, there's like not a torch or anything.
What the?
Hold on, put away your lighters. Does it still have light?
Yeah.
What? Is that just a naturally, like, luminescent orb?
it's a glowstone. It's glowstone.
Glowstone.
There's more over there.
Oh, yeah, there is. Oh, I hear movement.
Right there.
Right in front of me. One behind you. Oh, nice combo. Ping pong. Alright. Are we ready to grab this armor?
Okay, yeah.
We safe?
I'm ready.
Okay, 3. Wait, I don't see the fucking number. Oh, shit. No, you're good. I still got it because I'm cracked. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Fucking guy. Okay, let's go.
This might be.
Oh, whoa! This looks very naturally occurring. A naturally occurring underground. Yes.
We found a mine shaft. Don't mine at night.
Looks like a boogie troops. There's baby.
Oh, there's hella shit. Wait, I'm gonna whip out a blade. Open another granada!
Oh god.
Oh, that woke some of them up. Oh, there's a lot more.
Is this
You
like
know
you
what?
think this is the end game cave?
Nah, no way. Pull up, motherfuckers. Pull up, motherfuckers. Oh.
Oh, you just walked in front of my hatchet. I'm sorry. God damn. Throw a Molotov. We got a Molotov. I'm gonna light a Molotov, boys.
Grab a Molotov.
I'm gonna throw it in there for some light. I didn't do shit. Well, actually, we can kind of see. Armor on that guy?
Alright, I got 2, 3 over here.
Oh my god, goddamn, yeah. Holy 4.
Grab this
I'm looking
guy.
around.
My grenade didn't work, bro.
Looks like we're chilling.
This one
Other
first.
time bombs. Cute.
Eh.
This one first?
What you want to do it first?
Alright.
What do you mean, bro?
You know what I mean, Well, which way do we go? We go left or right?
I don't know, we might have to swim though, right?
Either way, we're gonna have to swim. This cave goes deeper this way.
Damn, this is a big cave. Fuck. Let me put some armor on.
Actually, I'm gonna put a
I like what he's
on.
thinking about. Last idea.
Before we get max armor.
I'm gonna drink some water too while I'm in there. This canteen is so helpful.
That's not. Oh shit! There's a guy right next to me. Fuck.
Oh shit! Damn! Just one shot him, bro. Oh, there's another one right here? Oh my damn!
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah, ready.
Is there anything to the left? There's a line.
That's a big hole, boys. There's something there. It goes upward, too. That's never a good sign. In the cave. Something that's...
Yeah, but I don't think we can. I think that's a different entrance.
Oh, yeah, what the fuck?
Oh wait, yeah.
Remember that? You guys remember that path we slid down? This is the other side.
Is it?
Or no, because I remember coming out over
There's
here.
nothing underwater, so.
We have to go back
I
then?
mean,
You think?
Maybe it connects to the other ice cave.
maybe.
Right. Let's go. It's me, Mario.
Go to church and meet a church girl and read your Bible.
Life jackets. Can we grab
Right,
those?
so it's straight,
Nope.
straight in the dive. Then.
Straight dive.
No, straight in the water.
Oh, there's compressor
Oh,
tanks right here.
oh, oh.
Oh shit!
Well, I can't carry more anymore.
Alright,
I'm
actually, I'm gonna
going green.
refill my tank real quick.
Oh yeah, mine's red. Oh fuck. That would've been bad.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Does an auto do it underwater?
What is this? Oh, this is the entrance. I'm retarded.
Mine's just like enough. Mine's like halfway. Yeah, yeah,
Much
yeah,
harder.
yeah, 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 suck
Oh,
on
you can't
me.
refill it?
I don't want to.
What's up?
I'm good.
You can't refill mine.
Is it already full? You should just be able to.
Oh, there
You
you
just
go. You have to
have to- yeah.
unequip it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, 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 suck on
It-
me.
Wait, it's not letting me go down. What the fuck?
Oh,
there you
come,
go.
bro. Yeah, this
I'm
is the
coming.
bone. This has
Exactly like the
the.
one we just
yeah.
did. What's your noise?
Brett's got a nice ass.
Wait, this looks exactly like the one we just did.
I can't trust it.
Yes.
That's
If
impossible.
there's a
no
slide that
way.
goes down, we know. We know they connect.
There's a bitch right there. Two of them.
You fucking one shot or holy shit?
Bitch! Bitch!
Bop.
Damn, her arm gone. No, air tank. Alright, you ready?
Oh, it is.
Oh, yep,
It's
it
straight
is.
to that fucking thing. It's so
Yep.
gay, bro. Wait, that makes me feel like there's something out there.
No, what's that? What's this fucking symbol though? We must have missed something.
It's
Look
an
at that.
alien ship with people on.
Yeah.
Under it.
We want to go back down over here? We had to have missed something, right? Oh. We had to have missed something, dude. There's no way we didn't. Unless it's just... Well, the game's not complete, though, too.
Wait, this is different.
Could be.
The other one was way open.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 100%,
Yeah, this
100%.
is
Big
different.
shout. Good. More air tanks, boys. Why are they giving us so many air tanks? Kind of scares me. Oh, on the wall right here. On the wall.
Buckshot? Did you guys get this buckshot already?
No. There's some on the wall over here, though. Oh, buckshot. Or that's that's crunchy munchies. Buckshot. Yep. 7 of it.
Let's
go look on the wall over there. What's that on the wall?
People happy?
They're worshipping the sun? That's what I'm taking from it. What are you guys taking from it?
Alright, so there's that one. Alright, left is nothing. So right it is.
Alright,
I have to fix my fucking balls. They were stuck to my leg.
that's cool. Let
Some
me,
picture?
Oh.
lick them?
Oh.
Wait, what?
You still have to
Wait,
send that
wait,
picture that
you guys hear that?
promised.
Oh.
Why
Wait, what is
bitch
that?
Glowing.
The glow. Oh shit!
Little motherfucker.
Ow, bitch!
Okay, another one.
Another one.
Was that one was glowing?
Why is that
Holy
bitch
fuck.
glowing?
There's something glowing over there, yeah. Oh, he's just the way he's glistening. He's just glistening. For real. I mean, does you have a pill like bitch me for real? God damn, bro. Him like 3 times.
Yeah,
Why'd you
oh
put
my
hell on
god,
me?
I got thrown.
Wait, his health. Something's wrong with his health. No, he's got a lot of health. This is not
Wait,
a normal guy.
I'm one shot, I'm one shot, I'm one shot.
This is not a normal guy. No, 100% this is not a normal guy. He is fucking me up. My armor is almost gone already.
Damn!
Dude, I gotta pop a medi.
I had to get serious, bro. I had to pop
Holy
a fucking
shit.
shotgun out, dude. Wow. No, that motherfucker's not normal. No, they
definitely
don't
not.
eat that many axe shots. Okay, we really need to be smart with this armor. Which one are we looting first? Did he just give us 1 piece? Yeah. Oh, 2. He gave us 2. Yeah, he was definitely special.
Ooh, big.
Alright. That's why I was like, what the fuck is he glowing for? And I was like, oh, he's just
there you
shiny.
go.
3, 2, 1, go. I was like, well, why is this motherfucker shiny? And I was like, oh no, he's just a regular guy. Nah.
Nah,
Yeah.
that dude, he fucking took all my armor, bro.
Yeah, like 8 pieces for me. He was hitting me, and I was like, okay, you know, usually these guys don't hit me, but alright, whatever. And then he hit me like 6 or 7 times, and I said, hold up. So I know I don't suck ass. There's something more bright that way, guys. What the fuck? Yeah. Something more that way. Oh, skull right there?
Alright, there's 2 caves. 2 sides.
No, there's nothing on this left side.
There's right here. This side and then the right side. Right here.
Not where we just came from?
No, we came from here.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're right. Which side first then, boys?
This side?
Sure.
Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it. The other side looks more interesting, so we gotta make sure we definitely don't forget about it.
This side is pretty narrow. Actually, never mind.
We can definitely still be
Oh
stuck
wait,
in here.
I see a light. I think. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's this shit again.
Alien ship. Rope. This is
Holy
scary.
shit, dude.
I'm scared.
Should we go explore the other path before we get balls deep in
Oh,
here?
there's someone.
Oh shit, motherfucker. Yeah, bitch, just die. That's 3 kills.
Alright, let's get this armor.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Put some on
No
real
more.
quick.
I'll do the one right next to you, Brett, whenever you're ready. I feel like we have to explore what that other path led to first, bro, before we get... This looks like... Oh, I don't know. Fuck, I don't know. I don't know the right way to go about this shit, bro.
Mine.
Oh, wait. I found a hidden path, boys. I found a hidden path. I feel like this is, like, really well hidden.
You're
Oh,
tripping, dog.
Oh wait,
wait, this
does
is another
this
room.
just lead back to the?
No.
Oh no. Yeah, definitely not. Come here, bitch.
Fuck me up, fireball. Yeah, leave me alone, bitch. Leave me alone, what the fuck? You're an asshole. You got 2 assholes. Let's make sure we investigate this
Wait,
shit.
this one does drop armor.
What?
It's dropped armor.
It dropped armor?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. There's so many different fucking paths in this game. I have no idea which way is right and which way is wrong. What's over here, Richard? What'd you find over here, buddy?
A guy.
Here, let me hit a bow shot on his ass. Wow, I suck.
Wait, is he strong? Oh, he's strong. Oh,
Another
no,
one.
he's dead.
One of my arrows in him.
Oh! Make sure there's none close. Okay.
Oh, one right here hiding. Dude. It's free armor though. Where you two want to go?
Ready. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well, still got it. We're good.
Why ain't you back on my chin? Wait, let me check if there's anything over here. Come on. Bro, what the hell is going on, dude? Wait, this is where we started.
Wait.
Yeah.
Is this where we started?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, good,
Alright,
good.
so
good.
that hidden path is gay.
Okay, well, no, because we were able to get a little. We were able to explore a little bit more.
No. No.
Fucking hate you.
No. Alright, now we check what's at the right side. Yo. What's up? Edit that out there, sorry.
Oh no, you're good.
What are you doing?
Oh,
ammo,
fuck.
ammo. Oh shit.
Penis man!
That's it.
Oh, he came everywhere, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, there's a lot. There's a lot.
Another one.
Oh wow, this one's spreading perfectly from me. Yo, wait, he has a butthole.
Careful, boys. Careful.
Swear to God, he has a butthole. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he does.
Hoopy as hell.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Right. Oh, we going in. Do it.
Energy drink.
I don't even know which fucking
Energy.
direction we're supposed to go, dude.
I don't know, but there's one more spot back there, so somewhere on.
Back here? So where'd you go?
Yeah,
Oh,
but this looks like we can't get back up. We'll go the other way.
Other way?
We can't get back up that way, so we'll do that one last.
No, I got you.
One, two, back on my chin. I don't want a chainsaw guy. Or hit him with a guitar or something.
Whoa, what the fuck are these things?
Platforms, bro.
They're like little underwater vents.
I cannot see jack
No,
shit.
me neither. Me neither.
There you go. This looks like... Wait, isn't this where we came? This is where we slid down. Right?
No. Well, not.
Okay, so I guess we'll go there.
Where is it? I don't see the hole though. Where's the hole we slid out of?
If you like back up, like don't dive, isn't that it?
There's no way. 'cause that
Oh
room-
yeah. No, it is. I think. Oh, I don't
No,
know.
it's not. There was moms over there. It's cool.
Yeah,
the old
oh
lady
no,
was
that
smoking
might be to the
something.
other cave, maybe.
No.
I don't fucking know. And this is scary as fuck, dude.
I need to eat some. Nom nom.
Remember we still have to go find that other section C or whatever, that bunker C.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, this really looks like a fucking doorway, dude. Oh, you good thinking about doing anything over here? No.
Oh yeah, Brett's right.
Is your shotgun light infinite?
Oh wait, there's a line.
Oh yeah, what the fuck?
I didn't see that.
Infinite what?
Is your shotgun light attachment infinite? Or do you need batteries for that too?
Oh
my god, Ed. I kill the babies. Come here, bitch. Oh my god, Ed.
Well, I'm fucking around no more, boys. We're wasting ammo. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I think I might be full on armor after this. Yeah, I'm full. Heck yeah.
You shitty fucking.
Wait, can we go to the right over here or no? Just that one way?
Yep.
The left is just a dead end with rope and shit.
What if there's cave sharks?
Don't say that. What's wrong with you?
I'm not going through that again. I told you guys there's something in the water, bro.
Oh yeah.
You're like, nah.
I told my coworker about that shit. He was laughing his ass off. We were like, no, there ain't. Oh, left or no, we go left. We were like, there ain't fucking nothing down there. And then we fucking get in the boat and we see the fucking shark. Oh fuck. Pile of bones here. That's always nice and helpful.
Oh, shit, those are new.
Scared the fuck out of me, dude. It scared the fuck out of me. I literally screamed like a girl. I got that on video. I'm a pussy. Dude, it jumped onto me. And I was also adjusting my feet too, so I wasn't looking at the screen fully. Fucking Christ, dude.
Jesus.
Oh, they drop armor too, bro.
I need a little bit of armor from these bitches. They hurt me. And that's new. Wow, I'm embarrassed. Alright, I'm seeing this one right here. And, wait, did you guys need armor too? I thought nobody else needed armor, sorry.
No, I'm spinning too.
Can't carry more of these.
Look at their faces, bro. They're fucking aliens. Oh my bad, Hunter. Are you ready?
No, yeah. Fuck it. I think it should throw on the ground, right? If I have inventory's full? Should throw it on the ground.
Yeah, oh wait. I threw some on the ground.
Oh, here's mine. Okay, cool. I'll get full armor
Yo,
again.
there's something on me, boys. I don't know what it is. I can't see it.
Let's get this candy so like throws it on the ground.
Yeah, heck yeah, thank you. I'm full again, I think. Dude, wow. How do my screen sound?
Dude, there's something crawling next to me. I can't find it.
I sound like a bitch. I think it's left. I think it's right.
Okay, Discord, cut your mic out so I don't even hear you scream.
Oh, dude, wait till I'll show you guys the clip after this fucking cave. Oh shit.
Help!
Yeah, I ain't getting close to that thing. I'm shooting it.
Yeah, fuck yes now.
Oh my god. That thing's tanky as fuck.
Dude, this is like an alien
I think I'm low on bullets. How do you cycle between bullets?
What is this? Oh, look, wait, boys, press E on this. It's a Terminator. Oh, golden armor.
Golden armor?
Ooh.
Golden armor collected? Wait, what?
Oh,
Somebody's knocked up.
Bro, nah, these are aliens, bro. Look at the spacesuits. These motherfuckers weren't like spacesuits.
Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. What the fuck? You know what?
What's this golden armor?
I'm honestly liking the direction they went with this game. I
think it's a mask. Can we put it on? Where?
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's next to your scuba thing.
I gotta see this shit.
Holy fuck, dude. Well, I'm taking my scuba diving shit off so I don't look like a
You guys
fucking...
look kind of hot, man.
Oh, I just lost all my creepy armor though. I think this is like permanent armor. There's no way this breaks.
Is it?
Maybe it heals or something.
Oh yeah, it's a bar. It's
Yeah.
not like the things. It's like a straight bar, like a health bar.
Yeah, look at all of our. Is all of our creepy armor on the ground?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, we were all fucking loaded.
Okay, there's a rope right here, boys. But there's more.
Oh yeah. That's sick as fuck, dude.
I think this just like loops around. Yeah, this just loops around.
1, 2,
Golden armor.
Alright, boys.
I wonder how tanky it is. Can't be as good as a full creepy armor set if it has a way to regen.
I doubt it has a way to reach.
You have to come back
Why
down
is
here
it
and get a
like-
full set every time?
Why is it like using my stamina when I climb?
Because you're climbing a rope?
It doesn't make any fucking sense, dude. Not realistic.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. You're just tripping,
Bro, what if we get like a fucking like laser beam, bro? Like some
bro.
Destiny
A laser
weapon.
gun? Alright, there's another rope. That's all it's here. I think it's a
Probably
laser.
it's probably the way out, but goddamn wow, what a crazy cave. I feel like that was the last cave. I feel like every other cave is not going to be as good as that one. Like in terms, or as difficult. Not that that was very hard.
Hunter's ass is so fat in that armor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shinabai. I'll show you.
No, there's no way, dude.
I'll show you guys that fucking
What,
clip,
like-
bro, of me screaming my ass off. Wow, dude, that was embarrassing. It's going on YouTube.
Dude, I'm smelling Hunter's fumes right now. Are we not done?
There's another rope.
Oh hell yeah. I need some water, and I need some. Oh shit! What the fuck?
I need some.
Oh, I just heard something scream. Oh,
Bro, this has to be a
Yeah,
spaceship,
hold on.
bro.
listen to those noises. Hold on. Let me eat some food real quick.
I'm reloading my shotgun, bro. Let me see how many buckshots I have.
What a pussy.
I got 10 buckshots.
10 slugs. No, I have no buckshots. Think.
You're gonna fucking die, right?
I'll
I'm gonna
use.
eat brain.
Look, I'll use the bow.
Brain.
Bow's good enough.
Why didn't you back on my chair?
Bro, this armor looks fucking insane.
It's alright. It's alright. It's not the best. Not the best.
I just like the helmet. I like the skull helmet.
The armor has no stats though. I don't think it does anything for weather or anything. It's just for boss fighting.
It's gotta have a way.
I'm going up, by the
I
way.
mean, there's gotta be a way to like repair it in your inventory, though. You know what I mean? You shouldn't have to. I don't think you come back down here to get a set of armor.
So I think it's just
Well, why did it take off our creepy armor then?
because your bag did.
Oh, Brett, you took it off. You didn't put it on, Brett? You just left on your creepy armor?
See one. See one. Oh wait, no, there's a baby's. Oh wait, no, there is. What is that? Wait, now I kind of don't even want to shoot these things, bro. I want to save my shotgun ammo for the fucking aliens.
I shot twice with 2 bullets already with 2 bow shots.
I'm gonna use this.
Push up 2 arrows.
Actually, I'm gonna use crossbow too.
You guys can get creepy armor since you lost all yours.
Well, I still have 10 in my inventory.
Wait, let me double check. I'm pretty sure I still have 10. Yeah, I got 10.
There's air compressors here. Hey yo, maybe we can drink.
Let me fix my fucking How do you refill the air tanks?
Unequip your scuba thing.
Okay.
And then, put it, and then click on the tank. The tank.
I'm gonna refill my canteen.
Yeah, I like that idea. Where are the tanks at? Should be right next to the tank. Oh yeah, right next to it. Use.
Right.
Oh, you're so silly. I just want to kiss you on the mouth.
What the hell? Let me
What?
refilling my flask. Stick a butt cheek in my ass. Bet you won't give me that gas. That gas tonight. Oh, I'm tired. The game just gave me an alert. You are tired. Uh-oh. Probably pop an energy drink? Yeah, I'm gonna drink when we get to the surface.
There's no surface.
Where the fuck we're going. The motherfuckers were full on aliens, bro. The astronaut suit confirms that. So the cannibals were aliens all along, boys.
No, I think those are cannibals. I just think they worshipped aliens. Like this is their religion.
I think the cannibals came from outer space. Oh, you know what? This type of theory and crafting is what we need for this game.
Oh, there's a blue guy.
Oh, hold on.
Tanky boy.
Is he at? Oh, I see him out. Can I snipe him from this fire? Oh, wait. Oh. Well, okay, I'm gonna try to headshot one of them. Oh.
Knocked one down with the bow. Knocked one down with the bow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bitch.
Can't take that shot. I can't take that shot.
Oh, the blue guy's crawling towards us. He's crawling. He's crawling.
I sniped him. I sniped him. I sniped him.
I hit him.
Oh!
Oh my. Oh my.
Sniped again. Sniped again. Sniped again.
Reloading. Reloading.
Sniped
Reloading.
again. Sniped again.
Ah! Good.
Another bow shot. Another bow shot in his ass. Another one. Oh boys, so
Wait, let me equip armor.
the golden armor doesn't actually act like armor. It gives you damage resistance though.
What do you mean?
Like that guy hit me, but he only hit me for like 10%.
Okay. Well, does the yellow bar still go down?
No, full. It's still full. It's like an overall damage resistance, so it's better than really. It's like only good when you have no armor.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take it off.
Day 3 wasn't that long though.
No, day 3 was like 9 gigs, yeah.
Alright, this is a slide. I'm thinking this one.
Oh shit!
Okay.
I didn't know it was a slide, bro. I fucking walked into it as you said that, bro. Oh fuck! It didn't look like it was that.
All that rope
deep.
for nothing.
It didn't look like it was that
dude.
deep, dude.
Yeah, this is the one
Okay.
that we were in.
This leads us back to the other cave, so now we can get out and get the night vision goggles again.
I wanna fucking.
I don't know, dude. These caves are so long, though. Each one of these caves could be its own fucking episode. Fuck, dude. We're gonna have a long. This could be either a really long or a really short series, depending on how I edit it. Alright. We're out, boys. Alright, guys. That's where we're gonna end it. We didn't discover anything else on our way out of the cave. The game just gets crazier and crazier as we keep playing it. Next episode won't be any different. It's still gonna be crazy. We just keep doing these caves, keep learning more stuff, and I've already beaten the game at the time of this recording, and the ending is crazy. So we're coming up on it fast. I hope you guys are enjoying the series, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.